In this video, I'm going to be talking about how does the Audio Premium Plus membership work. So, Audible Premium Plus is the most comprehensive membership plan offered by Audible. It combines the benefit of the credit-based system with unlimited access to a curated library of content. So here's a breakdown on how it works. If you go over to the Audible website, you will see the two membership types. You have Plus and then Premium Plus. Premium Plus is essentially double the price of Plus monthly. And you will notice that under Plus, the only thing that you have is the option to listen to thousands of podcasts, originals, audiobooks, and so on from the Plus catalog. So as long as a specific audiobook, podcast, or content you want to listen to is available here on the Plus catalog, you will be able to listen for it unlimited as long as you have the Plus membership active. The Premium Plus is going to be distinct because you will get credits per month. So as you can see here, you get 1 credit a month to buy any audiobook from our entire collection, yours to keep even if you cancel. So this is the crucial point to remember. You will get a specific number of credits each month, or a lump sum of credits if you choose an annual plan, and then you can choose individual audiobooks to purchase using those credits. The thing about this is that you will be keeping the title forever, even after you cancel your subscription. So you are not renting the selection, you are keeping it for yourself. And it is going to be much wider. You can use a credit regardless of the price of the audiobook, podcast, or anything that you are ordering. So even longer, lengthier ones will still consume 1 credit only, compared to a shorter one. They are all essentially priced the same. So it's up to you to choose what you want to spend your credits on. Both memberships will give you access to the Plus catalog, but the Premium Plus will have the distinction of offering the best of both worlds, the freedom to own a premium book of your choice each month with credit, and also unlimited access to a large rotating catalog of other content to supplement your listening. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.